Good morning, my lovelies. So, it is Monday the 26th. I'm another year older, but forget that because I don't need to know that. Anyway, we've just come out of Bakewell, the back end. I was going to do a walk, revisit one, but I thought, well no, because this side, Morley Wood, up there, never been up that way. So we're going to take a walk. There's supposed to be a trig point, but whether we get to it or not, as usual. And then we're going to drop back at the back of there into Endsore. And if it's the path I'm thinking of, the views were quite good. Back into Endsore and then a bit of Chatsworth, and then we'll see what time we got. We might go into Beeley. Beeley, if you've watched the videos before, beautiful little place, but it's a bit awkward to get to. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. End of June, summer's here. Yeah, can't complain. So yeah, should we crack on? The said name path was going to go on. That other going didn't even know where it was. Anyway, we've got a bit of history with stinging nettles and everything. So we are on the very start of the Monsoul Trail. And there's Morley Wood up there. So we're going down, back up, clip round, through the wood and down the other side and then back into Endsore on the back track. So yeah, cracking, absolutely beautiful views over Bakewell. Brilliant. So, but yeah, we'll crack on anyway. Although we're on the golf course, not far from top of the hill, not bad views at all, are they? This Stanton Moor, you're grieving everything over that way, and trying to think that Overhead will be over this way, obviously Bakewell. But yeah, we're carrying on up. There we are, officially at Morley Woods now. I didn't realise it's still part of the Haddon estate, but anyway, yeah, we'll carry on straight along the ridge of the hill almost, and then we'll clock down and over to Endsore. The path that was meant to be there disappeared, and there's another one that went up literally like that. Anyway, got up there, muddy hands and everything, but never mind. So yeah, across over there is towards Chatsworth. So yeah, hopefully this path will go along. I don't know if I'm going to be able to see the trig points or not, because I know there's one at this side somewhere. But as usual, probably on private land. But anyway, yeah, still a beautiful day. Still coming out in the sun now, so yeah, let's crack on. I've had to come the other side of the thing, because that's another path that's disappeared, funnily enough. Not having much luck today, are we? Anyway, yeah, we're at the top of the hill now. As you can tell, there's other people walking about down there. Views over to Chatsworth over this way. Baslow Edge, you can't really see, but it's just over there. So yeah, not bad views at all. And over to, I can't remember the name of the moor now, I was on months ago. But yeah, I keep saying yeah, gotta stop that. Yeah, anyway. It's not been too bad so far. Like I say, but it's just this. It's a shame all the paths are disappearing for some reason. I think it's part of the Haddon estate, but I don't know if they have to legally look after it or not. But anyway, as I always say, we'll crack on. Patience has paid off. Because what we're out fan. Boom. Trig point. I think it's about 600-700 foot. But I've got to do the obligatory to make sure I don't fall 6 foot under undergrowth here. Right, boom, done. Oh, anyway, sorry about the close-up in my face. Yeah, down that way to Endsore now. Down we go into Endsore. Back going out after something to eat, bad view. Back into St Peter's Church, I think, it's Grade 2 listed one, and it comes into the back of Endsore, so get a load of video and photo and that there. I'll put a link at the bottom as well to say about the history and everything, because it's still part of the Chatsworth estate. It's weird how it works, you can buy a house but you don't own it. Anyway, but yeah, we'll grab a bit of video in there and you'll see how pretty. That was Endsore. Told you it was pretty and very expensive to live to, but even though you don't own a house, even though you brought one. Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna take a quick look down at Chatsworth, get a few photos and whatever there, and then yeah, we'll get heading back to lovely Rowsley, and then it's home time on the 6s. There you go, Chatsworth. Pretty spectacular, isn't it? We're a bit pushed for time, to be honest here, but we'll have to come back round the ground to something one day. Anyway, Duke and just Devonshire, I think it is, lives here. You can get around the house and whatever, they have different events and all sorts on. So I'll put a link to that at the bottom, but it is worth visiting. But just be warned, if you come on the weekend or if it's the kids' 6 weeks holidays or anything, it will get packed. So just be warned of that one, because it is a very popular area. Anyway, yeah, we're going to walk back along the river, and then hopefully we might have time to pop into a little village I love. Beeley, very, very pretty. Anyway, catch me shortly. So, no Beeley today because the road was just far too busy to try and stick on it and have the bridge. We'll do it another time anyway. So just going in, can't remember the name of the place now. I'll put it up at the bottom there. Anyway, Carlton Lees, that's it. And then I'm going to cut through there, back onto the, back onto the Heritage Way, and then we'll finish in a lovely little Rowsley. And then, yeah, now it's bus home. Good day. Oh, that was Carlton Lees. There's about 6 houses and that's it. And at the back of it is all the surroundings. And at the other back of it is just woodland. That's what you call idyllic. Anyway, so, but over there, where are we? You can see it. Over there, this way is Beeley. we were going to head out, but like I say, the road's that busy coming out of Chatsworth, so I don't know if they've had an event on or something. But yeah, now on Sherrington way, so we'll drop back down towards the Derwent and then into Rowsley. So I'll see you in the road. Ah, lovely. So we're not far from Rowsley. So hope you enjoyed it. And it was a mixed one because obviously going somewhere then we couldn't, and we asked for somewhere else and we couldn't. But anyway, so yeah, I put all the links to Chatsworth and everything else at the bottom. Yeah, if you've got any questions or anything like that, obviously comments below. And if you do like watching the videos, don't forget to subscribe, follow and everything else. I'll put all my social media links on there as well for the photos. And yeah, so until next time, being followed. They'll think they're being good for milking. I do attract some silly cows, don't I?